Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing video 2 using the PandaHall kits that were lovingly sent to me. So I chose 4 kits from PandaHall that they graciously sent me free of charge to make some videos with. The first video is here in the card at the top if you want to watch that video, and this one is the potion bottle molds. So we're going to attempt to do this and see what we can make with them. Okay, so I don't know if you need clips or anything on these, but I am the queen of disasters, so I'm going to put clips. And I think the reason you get jugs with these is so you can hold them upright. Well, that's what I'm doing with mine anyway. Okay, so these had a lot of leakage that I had to top up. So if you're wondering why it changes color, because I had to top up the resin the next day. So let's see how these turned out. Take all these clips off. I'm hoping my clips did their job. Let's see. This one needs help, but let's cut out these bits of resin. This is going to be so cute. This one I might be able to salvage. It's just the base. I wonder if I could just sand off that base completely. Would this still fit? I'm actually sure. Try sanding it. think I can salvage this with some decoration. So I'm going to get these all sanded down, and I'm going to figure out a way to fill this in. I might just use some UV resin because I'm going to be using paint on this one anyway, and we'll figure out how we're going to decorate these. Okay, I've got them all sanded down and the bottoms glued in. I have not sealed these properly yet, but I'm going to work on this one. Now this is the bottle that I plan on painting, and because it's got such massive air bubbles, I'm going to use polymer clay on this. So from a polymer clay to adhere to this, because you can bake resin, certain brands anyway. So just make sure the brand you're using, if you're going to do this, is a brand that can get heated up. So I've roughed it up. It's looking a hot mess right now. I'm going to use my Sculpey clay and my liquid clay. So if you make one that has got big massive air bubbles and you don't think it's salvageable, you could do this with epoxy clay too. I'm going to go and bake this, and then once it's baked it's going to get sprayed one complete colour, and then I'll come back. Okay, so while that one's in the oven, this one, I'm thinking golds and pinks. I feel like I'm going to have to raid my charms. Okay, so I'm going to mess around with this rather than you painstakingly watch this process. I'm going to arrange all this and come back after I've got that arranged. Okay, I'm back with two very different bottles. This one needs a varnish now. That was a lot of super glue and I accidentally glued the lid on. And then this one. Now I need to prime this all with black paint. I could do it with acrylic paint, but I think I'm going to spray paint this as it will be quicker. This has been painted. Now the paint I used on this is actually a textured, really strong, durable paint. So I'm going to probably have to sand down this stopper to get it back in and there. But to finish this off, I'm just going to rub on my metallic colour, just deciding on which metallic colour. And I think I'm going to leave this one as is. I'm not going to seal it. It's going to be decorative, but this one is going to get a layer of triple thick. I haven't used this in forever. It used to be my favourite varnish. I seen it on Amazon the other day and I was like, oh, I used to love that. So I bought a bottle. Oh, I totally remember this stuff. And I am going to varnish my little one. Okay, so this one is still drying, but this is pretty much done. When they're completely dry, I'm just going to take some felt and glue them on the bottom to make them look more finished. But these are, I'm actually add a crystal to the seahorse's eye. Whatever changes you will see in the pictures at the end, because I'm going to put a little couple of collage pictures. But tell me what you think. These are taking the plain, simple PandaHall bottle molds and turning them into something unique and cute. They are usable bottles if you properly seal the base and do not glue your stopper in like I did. I'm going to put these with my collection of whimsical witchy things in my bedroom because I think they're adorable. Tell me what you think, what you would do if you had these molds. Show me if you've got these molds, what you've done with yours. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment on this video if you like what you see, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.